over. It's over. It's just a trip. It's over. Shit! Jackie's in class. Another skip. One more and I'm out. What am I doing? I keep passing out. My timing's off again. Why do I keep getting stuck in these cycles of non-productivity? Why do I feel like I'm doomed to repetition? Why do I need to pick me up? The steps to true concerted consumption. 1, 2, 3, 4. Peel the gel pack off the pill using your favorite blade. Separate the gray half of the pill. It contains 18 milligrams of methamphetamine. Thus, 33.33% of the buzz. Swallow. Separate the remainder of the pill into powdery lines. Pull out your crispest dollar bill. Roll it up. And getting closer. Oh my god. You're awake.
You're awake.
Jackie! I have to tell you about this. Never mind. What's up?
Hey, you want to go for a walk?
Yeah. Yeah, sure.
Alright, let's go for a walk.
Want one?
I probably shouldn't. I had one earlier this week.
Yeah. Better not.
Hey, how are you feeling?
I'm good. I'm good, yeah. Feel fine. Slept the acid off earlier, so wish I made it in time to class.
Yeah, I tried to wake you up, but you were out. Like, tried to start.
I guess I just needed sleep, you know? How was it?
Oh, it was fine. Yeah. Hey, they asked about you.
Yeah?
Yeah.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Yeah?
Yeah. Yeah. Let's walk.
Huh?
You know Tess is angry with you.
Yeah. She always seems to be. I don't know why, she's just...
I mean, she's mad, man. I mean, Frankie. Hey,
What?
look, Frankie.
What?
She's not the only one either, man.
I'm good. I'm fine.
Are you still,
Cutting? Depressant. I cut that shit off like a month ago. My shit's about to be clean pretty soon.
Yeah?
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 You look at me like you don't trust me.
Should I?
We've known each other for a long time.
Over a year.
Over a year. And I don't know about you, but I don't think I've ever actually had a friend for that long. So what's the point in lying about the bullshit?
You sure?
You could trust me. I'll do my dishes. Maybe.
Maybe. All right. Maybe if you do them tonight, I'll believe you. Maybe.
Yeah, we'll see.
Yeah, figures.